Fulfillment is the essential process of turning an order into a delivered parcel. The fulfillment chain involves receiving, storing, allocating, picking, packing, labeling, and handing over products. By executing this sequence well, businesses provide customers with value through a combination of price, convenience, speed, trust, and quality service. There are 5 primary fulfillment models, each balancing operational control against the ability to scale. Options range from self-operated setups to 3P to leaders, marketplaces, store-based fulfillment, and dropshipping. Mature businesses often adopt a hybrid approach, combining platform capabilities with 3P to leaders and selective self-fulfillment to optimize their operations. When choosing a fulfillment model, consider your venture's specific stage. Evaluate criteria like control, flexibility, scalability, speed, and data ownership. There is no single best model. The right choice is the one that best fits your current business strategy and operational constraints. In social commerce, sudden viral demand can quickly become an operations crisis if your capacity is exceeded. When faced with a backlog, you can choose to raise capacity, cap demand, or leverage a 3PL for variable support. It is critical to ensure that your campaign planning is always aligned with your fulfillment capacity. Warehouse location directly impacts cost and speed. Centralized models pool risk and offer simpler control, while distributed models move inventory closer to customers for faster, cheaper delivery. The decision often hinges on local order density. Evaluate whether freight savings justify the increased costs of duplicated inventory and complexity. Pick and pack quality is not just operational, it is an economic problem. A minor error in picking can escalate into returns, refunds, service tickets, and lost customers, significantly increasing costs. Monitoring pick accuracy, cost per order, on-time dispatch, and order backlogs is vital to protecting your bottom line. The last mile is often the most expensive part of delivery. Challenges like unoptimized routes, courier dead time during stops, and failed delivery attempts at the door drive costs up. High failure rates during delivery attempts can lead to significant financial losses, making delivery success rate a key metric. When designing delivery economics, avoid subsidizing every customer. Segment your delivery speeds based on customer needs, from standard to express. Always compare the incremental cost of faster shipping against the potential for incremental conversion, ensuring that your free shipping policies are financially sustainable. Reliability often beats pure speed. While one business might have a faster average delivery time, a second business with a slower but more consistent process allows customers to plan around the commitment. Higher reliability leads to consolidated parcels, fewer pickup stops, and lower overall unit costs. Returns are essentially reverse commerce. From the customer initiation to inspection, restocking, and refund, the process provides data. By analyzing why returns happen, whether due to product issues, fit, or delivery, you can fix root causes upstream and improve the overall customer experience. A single return fashion order can be quite costly when accounting for freight, inspection, repacking, and lost customer acquisition costs. However, implementing fast, efficient return processes can often preserve more value than a restrictive policy, which might alienate customers and hurt long-term brand loyalty. Generous return policies can raise costs, but they also build trust and drive conversion. To manage this, focus on lifetime value rather than just return rates. Personalize restrictions based on user behavior, ensure predictable refund processes, and remember that the transaction isn't finished until the customer actually receives their funds. Customer service should always aim to protect the relationship. Follow the cycle of listening, verifying, solving, compensating, following up, and learning. Respond early to resolve issues quickly, maintain ownership to avoid handoffs, and use every interaction to learn and prevent future recurrences of the problem. In customer service design, aim for an AI-first approach, using human support only when necessary. Evaluate the best fit for AI versus human interaction based on the complexity of the case. Focus on metrics like first response time and first contact resolution to maintain high service quality. Be careful that high-level KPIs do not hide a weak customer experience. Even with strong individual scores for things like shipping or stock accuracy, the compounding effect can result in a much lower, quote, perfect order rate. Focus leadership attention on 2 core metrics: the perfect order rate and total cost to serve. Resilience in operations is critical, as bottlenecks often shift downstream during peak demand. You can manage this by actively scaling capacity through temporary staff or space, moderating demand with tactics like split waves, and clearly communicating expectations at checkout to maintain reliability and avoid system fragility. AI only creates value when it demonstrably changes a key performance indicator. Whether the application is assisted recommendation, driven automation within policy limits, or agentic goal pursuit. The ultimate goal is to bridge the gap between data and tangible operational improvements, like ensuring on-time delivery through proactive rerouting. Agentic commerce relies on readable, machine-executable promises. To succeed, an organization must ensure quality across several dimensions, including inventory accuracy, price transparency, and clear return policies. In this new landscape, high-quality, structured operational data is no longer just internal info. It is a core component of competitive visibility. The cost-to-serve metric exposes the reality hidden by top-line revenue figures. By aggregating every cost, from platform fees and fulfillment to returns and service, you get an accurate contribution margin. A small change in a single variable, such as shipping costs, can dramatically swing your overall profitability. It is a common pitfall to assume more orders equals more profit. If your unit economics are not optimized, scaling order volume can actually erode your total contribution. Rather than attempting to optimize everything, prioritize fixing the single driver that has the largest negative economic impact on your business. When using AI in your analyst lab, ensure you maintain a separation between the AI's proposals and your final decisions. Use the model to help gather evidence, develop root cause hypotheses, and model financial impact. Always remember that the AI should inform the CEO, but it does not replace the human decision. Building an effective e-commerce operations blueprint requires a structured approach. Work through the full value chain, from order source and inventory management to fulfillment, logistics, and service. The ultimate challenge is to link every operational step to a clear financial impact and a specific, measurable KPI. Case studies like Coupang show how logistics can become a strategic barrier. By investing in infrastructure to achieve high order density, they successfully lowered unit costs and boosted margins. This underscores the principle that operations is not just a support function. It is the strategy itself. In closing, remember that while marketing makes the promise, it is operations that proves whether that promise was true. A sale is only fully realized when the order arrives intact and on time. The best managers are those who understand exactly what every unit of revenue costs to deliver.